What's up guys? To block YouTube video ads just like this one on Google Chrome, if you use Chrome to browse most of the time, you just need to follow these steps. So first, open another tab, and after opening another tab, just search for Chrome Web Store. So type Chrome Web Store in your browser, and the first link that you find, this one here, click on that to open it. And here you're just gonna look for AdGuard and press enter. Now the first one, which is this one, AdGuard Ad Blocker, click on that and then go to Add to Chrome. So click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension just like this, and you're gonna see the progress here. Once it's finished installing, it's gonna show that it's installed to Chrome, and it's gonna give you an option to remove it instead. So now your option is to remove from Chrome instead. So it's now installed. Now, if you go back to this video and refresh this page, try to play it, you can't play the whole thing. You can see that the video is now playing without the ad anymore. And even if I was to play another video, it's going to play straight without an advert. Yeah, so that's it. It's quick and simple. This is free at no additional cost. Just download and install AdGuard Ad Blocker and you will no longer see YouTube video ads. Some people put 2-minute adverts on a 30-second video, and that's a violation, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.